Hi, everybody, and welcome to Smart English Official, your place for making English learning effective and enjoyable. I'm Lima.
Hello, Lima.
Hey, James. It's wonderful to be back with all of you. How are you doing today?
I'm doing really well, Lima. It's been a packed week for me, but a productive one. How about you?
I'm excellent, thanks. You know, being busy can be positive. It means we're moving forward.
Absolutely. It certainly beats feeling idle. And speaking of that, it ties right into our subject for this episode.
Oh, perfect. So, what's our focus today?
We're discussing time management, specifically how to avoid wasting it. Our theme is Make Your Time Count.
That's an incredibly relevant topic, both for language learners and in everyday life. Before we dive in, we'd love your support.
That's right. If you find our show helpful, please give us a thumbs up. It makes a big difference. Don't forget to follow Smart English Official, and sharing this with others is the best compliment.
Yes, thank you. All right, James, let's begin. Make your time count. How would you define wasting time?
That's a solid starting point. To waste time means to spend it on activities that aren't valuable or productive.
Got it. So, something like endlessly scrolling through videos online?
Exactly. Or getting lost on social media for hours without any real purpose.
Oh, the social media trap. It's so common. You intend to check for a second, and suddenly, where did the hour go?
We've all been there. But our goal today is to give our audience strategies to use their time purposefully, particularly for their English studies.
Fantastic. So, what's your first suggestion? How can we be more efficient with English practice?
I believe it starts with setting an intention, a simple, clear intention.
An intention. Okay, elaborate on that. What does that look like?
It doesn't have to be complex. Something manageable. For instance, my intention for today is to learn 5 new vocabulary words.
I like that approach. 5 is specific and achievable, not 50.
Precisely. 50 words is overwhelming. Setting an unrealistic goal can lead to frustration, which makes people want to quit.
That makes complete sense. So, a small, attainable target.
Yes. Or your intention could be, today, I'll listen to a short podcast episode in English.
That's an enjoyable intention. So the core idea is to define a daily micro goal.
Right. When you have that focus, you eliminate indecision. You don't spend 20 minutes wondering, what should I work on?
That's spot on. I lose so much time just in the planning phase sometimes. A clear intention streamlines everything. Great advice, James.
Thanks, Lima. So, what would you suggest as a second strategy?
I recommend capitalizing on time pockets. Those little fragments of time throughout your day.
Time pockets? Like what?
You know, the 7 minutes waiting for coffee, the 10-minute commute on the train, or the few minutes before a meeting starts.
Oh, like when you're in a waiting room.
Yes, exactly. We all have these pockets.
That's clever. So, what can you realistically do in just 7 minutes?
Quite a bit. You could practice with a language learning app. Many have bite-sized lessons. Or you could review those 5 vocabulary words you wrote down earlier.
That's perfect. Those micro lessons are designed for this. Or even listening to an English news summary. I love that concept. Instead of just waiting, you're progressing.
Right? It's a powerful way to reclaim those otherwise lost minutes. And these pockets, they accumulate.
What do you mean by accumulate?
It means all those small pieces add together to create something significant. 7 minutes today, plus 10 tomorrows, plus 5 the next day. Over a week, that's substantial practice.
That is an excellent point, Lima.
Thank you. I think it's practical for everyone with a full schedule.
It is. My life is hectic. Your life is hectic. Our listeners are busy. We might not have a free 90-minute block, but we all have 7-minute pockets. Okay, so strategy 1, set a daily intention. Strategy 2, use your time pockets. What's the third key idea?
The third is to integrate English into what you already love. Make it part of your entertainment.
Integration, of course. When it's enjoyable, it stops feeling like a chore.
Exactly. If it feels like a duty, you'll procrastinate. You'll waste time avoiding it.
I completely agree. So, how do we integrate English enjoyably?
You connect it to your hobbies. Personally, I'm a fan of series and documentaries, so I watch them in English.
Oh, same here. It's fantastic for picking up natural conversation patterns.
Yes. Start with subtitles in your native language for support. Then switch to English subtitles. The ultimate aim is to understand without them. Laughter.
That's the dream. What's a method you enjoy, James?
I'm really into podcasts and audiobooks. I listen to them in English on various topics I'm interested in.
Ah, that's a smart one. You're learning about a subject you care about, and the English comes along with it. You absorb the rhythm and terminology.
And sometimes I'll repeat phrases aloud to work on my accent. Speaking along helps train your mouth muscles for the new sounds.
That is a brilliant and enjoyable method. See? Learning can be engaging.
Absolutely. You could switch your phone's language to English. Follow interesting social media accounts in English. The key is to link it to an existing interest. If it's engaging, you'll do it consistently. You won't view it as wasted time. That's the principle. So, the 3 strategies are: set an intention, use time pockets, and integrate it with your interests. I think these are very effective. And you know something? These aren't just for language learning.
Oh, really? How so?
They're great life skills for productivity and personal growth.
You're right. Explain how.
Well, take strategy 1. Set an intention. You can apply that to your daily tasks. A focused to-do list.
Exactly. But keep it minimal. Don't list 15 items. List your top 3 priorities. For example, 1. Finish the project report. 2. Schedule the dentist appointment. 3. Go for a 20-minute walk.
Yes, a massive list is demotivating. A short, focused list feels conquerable.
And checking off those 3 items gives you a sense of accomplishment. Your day felt meaningful, not frittered away.
I love that. And strategy 2, using time pockets, that applies everywhere.
You're in a queue at the bank. Instead of mindlessly playing a game, you could organize your photos, plan a meal, or listen to an educational short.
What a great idea. Using that fragment to accomplish a tiny task or learn something new, that's time well spent. All these pockets can be harnessed. And strategy 3, integration for enjoyment, is vital for life too.
How do you mean?
Think about chores. Many people dislike housework. It feels like drudgery.
True.
So, integrate it with fun. Put on your favorite music or an audiobook while you clean. Turn a boring task into a more pleasant experience.
Yes. Or if you want to be more active, don't force yourself to run if you hate it. Try hiking in nature or joining a dance class.
Precisely. If it brings you joy, you'll stick with it. You won't perceive it as time you want back. Wow, James, this is insightful. So, the same frameworks that optimize English learning can enhance our overall daily lives.
I believe so. It's about mindful time management, being deliberate.
Deliberate. That's the perfect word. It means acting with awareness and purpose.
Yes. You consciously choose how to spend your minutes. You don't let them passively slip away. But James, what about downtime? Is relaxing considered wasting time?
That is a crucial question. No, deliberate rest is absolutely not wasted time.
I'm glad you said that. We need to recharge. Our minds and bodies require it. If you're constantly in go mode, you burn out. Burnout kills productivity and learning capacity.
Exactly. So, taking a proper break is essential. Quality sleep is non-negotiable. Sometimes, the most productive thing you can do is step away, breathe deeply, or simply be still for a few minutes. That's not wasting time. That's investing in your well-being. It's like rebooting your system.
I like that analogy. Rebooting your system. My computer needs updates, and so do I.
Me too. So, to clarify, make your time count doesn't mean filling every second with activity, right? It means being purposeful with your time. Purposeful activities include focused work, intentional learning, joyful hobbies, and deliberate rest. It's the harmony between them.
I think that's it. A mix of growth, responsibility, pleasure, and recovery. That sounds like a balanced and fulfilling day. It does. Well, this has been a fantastic discussion, Lima. I feel inspired.
Same here, James. I'm going to set my intention for tomorrow, and I think I'll listen to an English podcast on my way to work.
That's great. I hope our listeners feel inspired too.
I hope so. We have confidence in you. You've got this.
You really do. Mastering English is a marathon, not a sprint. Use your time deliberately, and you'll make consistent progress.
That's a wonderful way to wrap up. So, to our incredible listeners, how do you make your time count? Do you have unique tips for learning English or managing your day? We'd love to hear from you. Please share your thoughts in the comments section. And if you liked our chat today, hit the follow button for Smart English Official.
Yes, and pass this episode along to a fellow learner. It helps our community expand and allows us to create more content for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. It was a pleasure, Lima.
The pleasure was mine, James. Talk to you all next time. Goodbye. All the best. Bye.